Well, as I have mentioned previously, like I was in quite a bad place like about 3 years ago. And I can tell you a lot of stuff, like, and it will make everything more unbelievable and wishy-washy and stuff. But it will be true, but I'm not gonna tell it. So I believe that Epstein files to be a real thing. Like, I think the information on it is very limited. And what I found, like a couple of years ago, because I do know my way around computers, and that's something I have restricted myself to, because it's not healthy that to go palooka there in codes is not healthy. Real AI does not consist of. I've never been on ChatGPT or any of those things. I don't care, give a shit about it. I use like Gemini. So somebody accused like Mossad to be behind the Epstein files, and in that thing I found like extremely like a lot of trafficking stuff, and it was mostly related to some eastern country. I can't remember, like Vietnam and like Philippines and stuff like that. And the way they did it, and the Bitcoin, like they use like algorithms and stuff. So somebody said Mossad is behind like the Epstein files, and I think Mossad is very like dedicated to country specific security. Like I watch this other thing where Romania accused Mossad or the Israelis to interfere with their elections. It doesn't make any sense. I have used Israeli security systems as long as I can remember. It's like the best there is. Like, and the people that they trust, like with video integration and stuff, is considered to be, which is Chinese, like considered to be untrustworthy by the Americans. And I think they can, in actual fact, be trusted. So I did a test that this is about me, like if I'm psychotic, and it suggests that I'm autistic. So I went and took those tests. It says I'm full-blown autistic. And if you read the descriptions between the things, like it's the same bullshit. And same thing. If somebody is not the same as you, look as you, sound like you, believe what you believe, or things different from you, doesn't make them like broken in any way, form, or format. I do not like the idea, like Iran, like Iran's. So you hear people talk about this deep state thing, like, and it's just carried on, like from the one president to the next. And if you don't freaking open your eyes and do research, you as a president, you can't believe shit. Because Iran's regime was instated by like America. The reason why those people is in protest is because of that prince, and media like fuming, and the fact that their economy collapsed, and that's due to sanctions. And why is there like extreme jihadism? I don't know. I have to check. But it will be something related to Christian interference. And why do Christians like this idea of like killing? And it's because they were persecuted. and they just adopt this notion, you know. For some reason, it's like if somebody did something to you, you're gonna do it to somebody else. Like it's child psychology, and it's stupid. So